PC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
In typical South Louisiana fashion, it's been a couple warm days as we head into the holiday season, with temperatures topping out at 74 degrees this afternoon. So you probably could do some shopping in shorts and t-shirts today. But tomorrow it does look like temperatures fall a little bit, but still right where we should be for this time of year, into the 60s with plenty of sunshine before we get back into the 70s heading into Christmas, although it does look like clouds and then eventually rain showers will start to return just after Christmas. So if you're trying to maybe return home Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you might run into some delays. Taking a look across the country right now, though, if you're traveling out to get to some of those family members tomorrow or on Christmas Day, shouldn't have too many issues as there's not much going on across the country. We do have that one system moving through the mid-Atlantic that'll be heading up towards New York, but this is a pretty fast-moving system, just producing 1 to 2 inches of snow for areas from New York up to Boston, and then some rain showers down into the Carolinas. That's what helped to pull a cold front that brought the clouds earlier this morning in and across our area. And then you can see our next system bringing some snow showers back through the Pacific Northwest. Eventually that'll dive down into the Southwest and then slide through Texas, eventually then getting us the rain heading into about Thursday and Friday. So taking a look locally, you can see not much out there today once those clouds moved out of the region this afternoon. So we had plenty of sunshine, and with clear skies tonight, temperatures are falling, now sitting at 55 degrees here in Lafayette. We've got some lower 50s up towards Opelousas, even some 40s from Oakdale to Natchitoches. So colder air will be descending in upon our region through the evening with clear skies. Lows by tomorrow morning could hit the upper 30s from northern parishes. So Ville Platte up to Alexandria down to Opelousas. Look at those very chilly starts. Get the heavy jackets if you have an early morning tomorrow. Maybe you still have to head into work for a little bit. It is going to be on the chilly side, even along the interstate, lower 40s. So it is going to be a little cooler than what we have been seeing the past couple mornings, and then even down along the Gulf Coast, mid to low 40s to get the day started. But the good news is that'll be moving off to the east. So there's the chilly temperatures thanks to high pressure. But as that slides a little bit more off to the east, winds turn easterly, and with lots of sunshine, we get to where we should be for this time of year, right in the low to mid 60s tomorrow afternoon. So it looks to be a fantastic Christmas Eve across portions of Louisiana and back through the southeast. Although clouds do start to return through the overnight into Christmas Day. So it's going to be a cloudy one for us here locally, and then even during the afternoon could have a stray showers too. But I do think most of us do stay dry for our Christmas, so that is the good news, with temperatures getting back to near 70 degrees. So the Christmas forecast looks pretty good for the next 48 hours. We'll call Christmas Eve mostly sunny and nice, 64 officially for the high. Christmas morning temperatures in the 50s, so just maybe a light jacket if you head out to some of those early morning services and whatnot. Partly sunny and cool, and then getting up to near 70 degrees with lots of clouds and maybe a stray shower by Christmas afternoon. Clouds stick with us Christmas into the 26th. We stay dry first thing Wednesday morning, so if you're getting out of town and getting back into where you should be, no issues then. But rain showers do start to return as we push into Wednesday afternoon. And then the rain will pretty much continue on and off all the way through Wednesday evening into much of the day on Thursday, as the front on the backside slowly makes its way in. Could even bring some more moderate showers as we start to see some of the yellows develop by Thursday morning. This is around 7 a.m., continuing into around lunchtime before the heaviest stuff pushes off to the east. Might get a little bit of a break by Thursday evening, but still might have some mist or light drizzle around and across the areas. That front pretty much stalls right over the eastern portions of Acadiana, keeping the chance for rain even into Friday morning. So it is going to be a very wet and gloomy period into the second half of the week as maybe you try and get back into work. And then even into the weekend, that front kind of stalls out and gives us a slight chance for even a few more showers heading into Saturday. So rain totals with this system will begin to pile up. You can see through Friday anywhere from 2 to 3 inches, with the red beginning to show a little bit more than that. And then you can see even down towards Morgan City, maybe some hot spots up towards 7 inches. So we're going to have to take a close eye as this system gets closer to us. But I'm not expecting any major flooding concerns, as this is going to be extended over numerous days. So more or less it's just going to be a steady, continuous rain, not those heavy rains that lead to those flash flooding concerns here. And our GFS model is kind of a little bit lower, but still similar picture. Little higher amounts just off to the east. So We'll continue to keep an eye on that as it gets closer, but it does look like a good soaking possible towards the end of the week. So chilly night in store for us locally tonight. Temperatures getting down to around 43 for that morning low, then getting back up to 64. So a nice Christmas Eve, near average temperature for this time of year with a nice east wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Clouds return for Christmas, but we do for the most part stay dry, but rain chances start to bump up Wednesday, Thursday, and even into the first half of Friday with temperatures into the lower 70s. Start to cool off into the weekend as we fall into the low 60s and upper 50s with another chance for some scattered showers both Saturday and Sunday, but it does look like things begin to dry out just in time for New Year's Eve.